Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy messy bun in just a few minutes. To start, I'm adding some dry texture spray to the hair. It also doubles up as a heat protectant. I'll pop everything I use in the description below. Then I'm just going to pop a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect, or if you prefer you can leave the hair straight. Divide the hair straight across from the end of the eyebrow height, and with that top section I'm going to pop it into a ponytail, but on the last turn I'm only going to pull the ends part way through to create a loop. Make sure that your tail ends are pointing upwards, and then we're just going to clip this out of the way for later. And we're just going to repeat with the bottom hair, so tie it up into another ponytail. On the last turn, only pull it part way through to create a loop, but this time leave your tail ends hanging downwards. Unclip that top loop, and we're going to pop a couple of fingers through the middle of the bottom loop. And using those fingers, I'm going to hold on to that top loop and pull it all the way through the middle, so they essentially change sides. Hold both of these loops to the head and secure all the way around with as many bobby pins as needed. Now, taking the tail ends from that top loop, I'm just going to start twisting them towards the head and bring them over to the opposite side. Secure with a couple of pins, and I'm just leaving the tail ends hanging down. Take the remaining tail ends and I'm going to leave a little bit of hair hanging down at the bottom. With the rest, I'm just going to twist this in one direction, bring it up the side of the bun and over the top, then just secure to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some wax spray over the top of the head. Again, I'll pop this below, and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at the hair for some more texture and volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.